about continent. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Europe, Australia. Asia is biggest continent. Australia is smallest continent. Asia is blue. Europe has no desert. Antarctica is coolest continent. It's about.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Clap for him.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ritika Yani. Now we will see about garden creatures. This is a butterfly. This is a bumblebee. This is a ladybird. This is a dragonfly. This is a snail. This is a frog. That's all about my project. I talk about healthy food. Unhealthy food. Vegetable is healthy. Fruit is healthy. Grapes is healthy. Nuts is healthy. Unhealthy food. Nuts is unhealthy. Chips is unhealthy. Candy is unhealthy. Food is healthy. Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Pragyashi. Animals there in house. Tiger uses gun. Lion uses gun. Dog uses cannon. Bird uses nest. Hen uses bird. Bird. Wolf uses tail. Pig uses tail. Horse uses table. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Animal Dance. Studying senior geology. I am say Jonas. Zebra. Giraffe. Cheetah. Horse. Deer. Tiger. Lion. Elephant. Rhino. Hippopotamus. Plant. Welcome to my book. Seed is the mother of a plant. Listen today. Thank you, friend. Friend, cows is the
Very important.
very important. Thank you. My name is Sri Mitra. I am Tammy. Brain is the help to think. Stomach is the help us to save the food. Lungs help us to filter the air. Heart help us to pump the blood. Thoughts. Liver help us to bad oil. Kidney help us to remove the wastewater. Bladder help us to urinate. Thank you. Hi. Good morning everyone. My name is Kinder. I'm 5 years old. Welcome to our Spy project solar system. Sun is the main source of light for all the planets. Mercury is the closest planet in our solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus is the very hottest planet Venus average temperature of 480 degrees Celsius. Earth is my favorite planet because it is unique planet because landforms and water bodies which support life in all forms. Mars is the red planet. It is covered in iron oxide dust. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system as a giant red star racing for centuries. Saturn rings are 90% water. Neptune takes about 165 Earth years to revolve around the sun. Uranus is the very coldest planet. That's all about my project. Good morning everyone. This is a blanket. Peacock is national bird. Duck is school symbol. Flamingo is the strong beak. Pelican is the long and strong beak. Sparrow bird is tender bird. Award for you is save our sparrow bird. Thank you. Hi, good morning everyone. This is I'm going to share about healthy habit. Brush your teeth. Healthy habit. What take? Healthy habit. Comb your hair. Healthy habit. Cut your nails. Healthy habit. I am big egg making. Faster float. Healthy habit. Sleep early. Healthy habit. Healthy habit. Help the world people. Healthy habit.